All right, so I think we're still in winter here in my region, but we're about to go to summertime here in the next couple of months. 3 4 months we'll be in spring and then summer. And I like to ride my bicycle, and I used to have this pump right here to pump my bike. This typical one that it's got like this little. Um, you put it in and it locks like that, and then you pump you stand on it and you pump like that. It's got a, it's got that little gauge right here to show you how much air go into your tires. Um, it works pretty good because this one has like two settings and stuff. You could flip this thing here. I don't know if you guys can see this little pump right here to make it pump more air. You could do that, or you can drop it down to make it easier and lighter to pump air. All right. So, but it's such a pain. I mean, it works all the time when you don't need, uh, you're not in a hurry, or you just want some to exercise, I guess. But I recently decided to buy something else, and I do have like the big compressor, like the bigger tank one in the garage. But I had taken this bike all the way to the garage and plug it in to put air on these things, you know. So I did invest in one of these Milwaukee's. I don't know if you guys have seen this on advertisements or at Lowe's, but it looks like this. It's got some Milwaukee. Um, it's a battery powered pump right here. It's got this big battery. It's like 18 volts, lithium battery. All right, and it comes with two of these. It was a sale on Black Friday here in America. So I bought this. It comes with two batteries, 18 volts, which was a pretty good deal. I had to wait for like a week to get it, but it was worth it. Because if you try to buy this separately, just this, the, the charger and the battery is more expensive than the pump itself. This is like almost like the whole thing with two batteries. You cost about $600, close to $600, like 500 and something. All right, but I got a deal for 100, I think 145, and during Black Friday. But you had to wait for several days. I don't know why they do that, but oh well, I got it. But this is like a super cool pump. It's portable. It can pump anything. It can pump a car. It can pump a truck. Like anything that needs air, this thing can pump. And it's pretty simple. It's got like this little cable right here uh, that goes into the car. But if you want to pump this type of bicycle, let me bring this closer here. If you want to pump this type of um, valves in a bike, it's like this is like a race bike. So the tires have like a weird. Um, it's not like the normal air valve ventilator. It's a little skinny one that you have to use like a special connector like this, and this just like basically just screws in here. And once you put it in here like that, you can remove this from your bike. See, it's got like this little smaller cups. And then before you pump, you have to like loosen up this a little bit. All right, you loosen this a little bit like that, and then you shove this in here, you know, and that's how you put pressure on this type of pumps. I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah, you have to like push it in there, and then you pump it. Okay. But then once you get air in, you have to like lock the little valve thing and put this back. But what I'm trying to say is like, I wanted to talk a little bit about is how awesome this thing is. I can carry it, can put it in the back of my car. I can pump my car anywhere, and it's pretty simple. You know, you turn it on right here. It's got a screen that looks like that, and it's, you know, shows you the PSI. My bike is not tire is not empty, so I can't pump it. But I'm gonna make a video out in the next couple of days in putting it in my car, so you guys can see it. But it's got a pretty long cable right here. Um, it just wounds right here, pretty easy like that. And then you slide it like that, and it holds, and it looks like that. And it's got memory, so you can say you wanted 45 psi or 35 psi on your tires. You just run it to that psi, and then you lock it. You hit the memory, and every single time you go put air on your tire, it just remembers. All right, so this is super cool. And I don't know if you can get that kind of deal that I get on this at this time, but look it up. They sell these things at Home Depot, on Amazon. But I still have my trusted little friend right here. I'm not saying that I don't trust this, but I trust this. It will always work no matter what. No, pretty simple pump. Okay. So I really just wanted to share a little bit about my new toy that I have. You don't need to go to a gas station. You don't need to take this to a mechanic to do it for you, to charge you. You don't need to take it to a bike shop or like a dealership for your car, just for air. You don't need to pay money at the gas station to get air in your car. Just use something like this, you know, and it will work best and easy and cheaper for you. All right? Do it yourself. Do it yourself. That's all I'm about. Save money and do it yourself. So the pump here works. Yep, this one goes to up to 160 psi's. This one can do way more than that. It's quicker and faster. Air will pump right here. It looks like that. Milwaukee. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. Check it out. All right. Thank you guys. Just wanted to share that.